Eh?
Because of your day, man.
Because of my...
Everything because of your day. So everything.
I just started now.
I said show this thing. Because of your day.
So hi guys, today is Salah. So this is my Eid vlog. Yeah, I don't celebrate Salah, but today is Salah, so I have to say that today is Salah. So look at how my skin is glowing. I've done my skincare. What basically on my face is just my, I used cleanser, salicylic cleanser. Let me show you guys. So the first thing that went on my face this morning is the salicylic cleanser. I basically rubbed it for like 1 minute, massaging my face till everything went into it and deeply unclogged my pores. I'm used to it. Duh. The second thing that went on my face today is salicylic acid, because I know I'm not going to get exposed to the sun today because my skin is sensitive to the sun whenever I use the serum. So I used it on my face too. I don't have moisturizer for now, so this is my makeshift moisturizer. So this is my sunscreen. Even with my sunscreen, sometimes my face is sensitive, so I hope it's not I hope it's not like trying to downgrade the product, but this is very oily, so I'm using it both for my sunscreen and my moisturizer. Vitamin C sunscreen, that one they said lotion. But I'm expecting an order for more skincare products either today or tomorrow. Fingers crossed. So basically this is how a day in my life is going. What I want to do next is to do laundry. People have told me that when I was with her, it's not I want to wash, but I want to do the dishes. It's not I want to wash clothes, it's laundry. So I want to do my laundry now. So yeah, come with me. So I just wanted to update my vlog. I'm done with laundry and I'm about to go out because I want to create content today.
I don't know what you're talking about, but I don't allow me anything social.
I want to create content today, so I want to go out and get something. I want to do something with macaroni.
Did you pass it through me?
I don't know you.
You don't know me?
Yeah. So I'm going to bring you guys along.
Okay, but let's see what happens.
How that's grown? You have not been posting. But my ask you.
But those times I did not listen to you. That's when I got huge views.
You didn't get it. You have not had it.
That time when I
I
did content with Wena and Awara.
You know you can pay
Check my YouTube. I got up to 7 subscribers because of that.
You know you can pay your phone line.
I know I can put it, but it's going to show the. So guys, I said I want to create content, and some of the things I don't have them, so I have to go to buy them. So I'm going to work here now to get some stuff for my content. I'm also waiting for the suya guys to come out because it also involves suya. I'm so excited because I don't know how it's going to taste. This chicken suya. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it makes sense. I know the frame is not right there. I don't sound good.
Which way?
I'm talking to my dog.
Where are you bloody on Instagram?
Also on YouTube. YouTube vlog. Not real vlog. Not for reals. Hi guys, so I just came back.
Good.
Eh?
You can close this door.
It's a long story, but I will gist you guys. So when I went to work here, on my way back, I peeped to the suya guy's side. Like, I couldn't, the suya guy was not there. He didn't come today because there is Salah. I was so shocked. I didn't imagine that he won't come today. So I have to go further than my plan. But thank God I was able to get a place to buy it. Someone will start creating content now. Fingers crossed it comes out well. So guys, as you can see from my face, I'm already worn out. I just finished creating the content now. It was hectic because I have to create for two different kind of videos. For the gram, like in form of reels or shorts, and then like the long form content. So it was really hectic. But I'm done now. This is around 9, about 8:45. I was just take a shower. Because I'm so tired, I might not even take a shower. I'll just sleep like that. Yeah. Today was worthwhile. Maybe very soon, once I get my skincare ordered to me, I'm going to do a skincare, show my skincare routine and products. Yeah. Peace. Good night.